The dreaded check engine light has been haunting dashboards on cars and trucks for decades. But there actually is an upside to this. Toro took this concept and applied it on the new Groundsmaster 5900 series. The onboard info center monitors and displays machine functions to help keep diagnostic time down and operating hours up. No handheld or diagnostic computer is needed to see the information. During normal operation, the info center displays useful data like usage hours, fuel level, coolant temperature, voltage, oil temperature, hydraulic oil temperature, and engine RPM. Maintenance reminders tell your operator and service team remaining hours of use before scheduled service and provide an alert when service is due or overdue. The Info Center keeps a record of operational monitoring and recurring trouble faults too, which provides you with valuable intelligence about daily equipment efficiency and operations. Most importantly, the Info Center keeps a constant pulse on critical performance and will help alert you to potential issues. If a fault is detected, or if a monitored function moved out of the normal range, an audible and visible alarm triggers to get the operator's attention. This alert will further define the potential problem and remedy. Advisories, onboard diagnostics, trouble faults, and maintenance reminders right on board the 5900 or 5910 all provide highly efficient troubleshooting. Maximize uptime and reduce downtime with the 5900's Info Center, your mechanic on board for every hour of operation.